Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a simple and effective method to earn $50 in just one day, selling unwanted items. It's a great way to declutter your space while making some extra cash. So, let's get started. Assess your possessions. Host. The first step is to go through your belongings and identify items you no longer need or use. Look for things like clothing, electronics, furniture, books, or collectibles. Be honest with yourself and select items that are in good condition and have value to potential buyers. Research market value. Host. Once you've gathered the items you want to sell, it's essential to research their market value. Look up similar items on online marketplaces like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist. This will give you an idea of the prices at which similar items are selling, helping you set a fair price for your own. Clean and prepare the items. Host. Before listing your items for sale, it's crucial to clean them and make them presentable. Dust off the surfaces, wash clothing, and ensure everything is in working order. Taking the time to make your items look their best will attract more potential buyers. Choose the right platform. Host. Next, select the platform where you'll sell your items. eBay is a popular choice for selling a wide range of products, while Facebook Marketplace is great for local sales. Craigslist is another option for local transactions. Consider the nature of your items and the target audience when deciding on the platform. Take high-quality photos. Host. Now it's time to take appealing photos of your items. Good quality pictures are crucial as they attract potential buyers and give them a clear idea of what they're purchasing. Use proper lighting, capture different angles, and showcase any unique features or flaws. Write descriptive listings. Host. When creating your listings, provide accurate and detailed descriptions of the items. Include essential information such as brand, size, condition, and any notable features. Be honest about any imperfections, as transparency builds trust with potential buyers. Set a competitive price. Host. Based on your research, set a competitive price for your items. Consider factors like the item's condition, age, market demand, and your desired profit. Be realistic with your pricing to attract potential buyers while ensuring a fair value for your items. Promote your listings. Host. To increase visibility and reach more potential buyers, promote your listings. Share them on your social media platforms, local community groups, or relevant online forums. Utilize the power of word of mouth to expand your reach and attract interested buyers. Respond promptly and negotiate. Host. When inquiries or offers start coming in, be responsive and prompt in your communication. Engage with potential buyers, answer their questions, and negotiate if needed. Be open to reasonable offers while ensuring you're comfortable with the final selling price. Arrange safe transactions. Host. Once you've secured a buyer, arrange a safe transaction method. If you're selling locally, consider meeting in a public place or at a police station to ensure safety. For online transactions, utilize secure payment platforms like PayPal or request cash on delivery. Conclusion. Host. That's it. By following these steps, you can quickly turn your unwanted items into $50 in just one day. Remember, selling unwanted items not only helps you declutter your space but also puts some money back in your pocket. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.